I'm visiting Gunungsitoli and I'd like to go to Lawumi Beach. Do you know how to get there? Of course, Lawumi Beach is one of the popular tourist spots here. Are you now in the city center of Gunungsitoli? Yes, I just come from Yahowo Park and I'm resting nearby. Alright, from Yahowo Park you can take a bentor. That's a motorized pedicab we use a lot here. You can also order an online Gojek, motor cicil taxi. If you have the app, there's also angkot or small public transport, but it's less frequent. Oh, a bentor sounds interesting. I've never ridden one. What should I say to the driver? Just say, "Bang, to Lawumi Beach, please." I'll understand. The fare is usually between 15 to 20,000 rupiah, depending on the distance and how you negotiate. Okay, is it possible to walk free? Well, you can't walk, but it's quite safe for about 7 kilometers from the city center. So, I'd recommend taking a vehicle, especially if it's hot outside. But if I take the bentor, what's the route like? From here, go straight south along Yosudarso Street, then turn right at the intersection near the gas station. Keep following the main road until you see a big sign that says Lawumi Beach. It's very close to the shore and the view is amazing. Wow, thank you so much for the help. I'm really excited to go tree. You are welcome. Enjoy Gunungsitoli and don't forget to try our local food too. Ya aho, thanks again. Hi, I'm planning to go to Medan from Gunungsitoli. What's the best way to get there? Hi, there are a few options. The most common way is to take a flight from Binaka Airport in Gunungsitoli to Kuala Namu International Airport in Medan. Oh, I see. How long does the flight take? It's a short flight, about 1 hour. It's fast and convenient. Usually, there are 1 to 2 flights per day, depending on the airline. What's about the price? The ticket price is usually around 500 to 800,000 rupiah, but it can be cheaper if you book airline. Are 3 other ways to travel to Medan? Yes, you can also travel by ferry and bus. First, take a ferry from Gunungsitoli to Sibolga, which takes about 8 hours. Then from Sibolga, you can take a bus or travel car to Medan. That takes another 8 to 10 hours. Wow, that's a long journey. Yes, but it's usually cheaper than flying. Ferry tickets cost around 150,000 rupiah, and the bus from Sibolga to Medan is about 200,000 to 300,000 rupiah. I see. So flying is faster, but ferry and bus are cheaper. Exactly. If you want to save time, cross the plane. But if you want to see more places along the way and spend less money, the ferry and bus is a good option. You are welcome. Have a safe trip to Medan. Thank you.